Hey guys, welcome back to the Weber kitchen remodel. It has been a minute since we've had an update, and we have had some drama in this kitchen update, and that's why it's been so long since we've done an update. The last update video I did was April 11th. It is now May 6th, and we have finally gotten our countertops installed, and that was a big thing that we were waiting on. We were supposed to have countertops done middle of April, and we had an issue with color match. The company came back and made it right, got everything done. We finally got our countertops in, finally got all the cabinets in place. We don't have subway tile on the wall yet, but the countertops are in and it's looking fantastic. Let me show you guys. So as we come around, look at this layout. We got the new lights in. Those were not in the last time we did an update. We got our island, or our peninsula. We got a little seating area here. We've got to buy some chairs for that. We've got the peninsula right here. Lovely counter space. Got the window out the side. We've got counters, countertop all the way around, a sink, the faucets installed. Everything is back up and running. We are living in the kitchen again as far as cooking and just general stuff. We've got the microwave installed, refrigerator, our 3 lights above the island, and then our beautiful island. Absolutely love this thing. It is so functional and so nice to use, and our gas stove. We have our range hood installed. That wasn't done last time. And we had a spot, I don't know if anybody ever noticed it, but we had a spot where the gap over here was wider than the gap on that side. And that was because we needed an extra 9-inch cabinet right there. So we went ahead and ordered that a month ago, finally got it in, and it's the wrong freaking door. This is what the door is supposed to look like. This is the door we got. The color and everything was right. The door was wrong. So we got to get a new door. We have a new door ordered, and when it comes in, we're just gonna switch it out for that one, and we'll be good there. Next steps are going to be putting subway tile along the wall. We're gonna bring it up to the bottom of the range hood, back down and around, come around all the way around by the peninsula down here. And then we have our coffee bar over here. Same thing, we're gonna put subway tile up and around where that white area is, just to kind of finish that off. But we've got our coffee bar in place. We have the pot filler faucet right here. So if the water's low, which it is right now, you can just take this off, rotate this around, and fill up the coffee maker right there without having to take that over to the sink to fill up. That's gonna be a game changer. We've used it a couple times already. I had a hell of a time hooking that up, just my lack of plumbing skills. I absolutely hate plumbing, so we had to have a guy come in and get that finished up for me because every time I did it, it flippin' leaked. So that is an update. Update, I think number 8, if I'm right. And the next update is going to be the finished kitchen and dining room area. We're gonna wait. The last update, the last video in this series is going to be a final wrap-up video to show you the final space and the final look of what we have been working so hard to get to. I'm gonna let Lori do the walkthrough on that whenever we get to that point, because she knows what cabinets are what, and she hasn't been on the video at all yet, so I'm gonna make her do that. So that is the plan. Episode number 9 will be the last episode in the series. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a little bit before we get to that point, because we gotta get all this other stuff done. Gotta get some under cabinet lighting installed and that kind of thing, but that's pretty simple stuff to do. And I am so happy to have the countertops in here finally, and we are finally almost done with this project. So stay tuned, and we will see you in the next one. See ya.